Good afternoon, ma'am. We are the Group 2 and we will present to you our business proposal, which is the One-Stop Pasalubong Shop. So the project description is One-Stop Pasalubong Shop is a shop where we're considered as a highlight place in a city. A place where there are different products that we can consider as a gift or souvenir that you can get by buying it. And bringing this stuff to your family and friends. So basically, our One-Stop Pasalubong Shop is a shop where there are products inside of it.
The project we have in mind, which is the One-Stop Pasalubong Shop, is not commonly seen in the city of Bayugan. Since the Bayugan city is currently growing in terms of its economic growth and development, so we decided to propose this one. We went to the other cities. Kaning Pasalubong Shop, this is not necessarily makita rin sa Bayugan city, but this is built in other countries also. Why we build this Pasalubong Shop? We build this Pasalubong Shop is because once you shopping, di ba, once mag-shop, mag-mall ka niya, ikaw Reza, you feel, you buy for yourself, not for others. You know what I mean? Kanang fight ka for yourself, kanang wala kay, kanang nunagay nga, kahit mo sila, pero paabot mo sa terminal is, dara ka makaunaw na nga, ay, nako'y nakalimutan, pasalubong sa akong relatives. So that's why we build a pasalubong shop in the terminal. Kanang sa terminal, kaning ang sulutan na is mga souvenir, pretty foods, mga things na pwede mo ihatag sa mga relatives.
So we are inspired to make this shop because this shop will sell different products in consideration with trend products, local products, and with the use of raw materials. The products are in affordable prices so that the customers can buy more. So we make this shop para na kay mapasalubong sa mong loved ones. So para kung balikbayan ka or dayuhan is pag uli nimo nakaidala para sa imong pamilya. We make this para makapalipay sa imong pamilya.
The design and ambience is this shop will give the customer a relaxing nature by there will be a table and stall outside the shop so that the customer can relax. We will be putting the flowers to make our shop more attractive.
The design of this project will be 150 square meter and will be located near bus terminal. The establishing of the shop will start on December 2021 and will have a simple yet attractive design and will be finished by April 2022.
People who will visit Bayugan City and the people living in the city are welcome and can come and feel the relaxing vibes and buy stuff all the way to our Pasalubong Shop. This shop is hindi mo mapalit mo tanan. So gidesign siya nga dire sa terminal because naiuban nga mga uban people na di na sila kaadto og mall. So this is the biggest opportunity sa ato pa-eye shop sa bus terminal.
Pasalubong Shop will give our best shot in serving our customers a good quality product and make them feel that they won't regret while visiting and will come again to our shop. To our customer, we will assure that you can have what you want. Pasalubong Shop serves a product that has a good quality and because of that, One-Stop Pasalubong Shop would like to leave this motto to our customer. Time is running, so stop Time is running, so stop and visit our Pasalubong shop. One Stop Pasalubong shop will give you anything what you want to give your family and loved ones.
Naay 9 kabuok nga objectives sa shop. First is to build the Pasalubong shop in Bayugan City. Next is to sell trends and local products with affordable prices, to give a job to those are unemployed. So especially sa kanang ako nabantayan kay mga indigenous people, kanang wala yung mga trabaho, so mag-offer mi sa ilaha og work to make Bayugan City known for its Pasalubong shop and to establish an eco-friendly and relaxing shop.
Another objective of One Stop Pasalubong Shop is to promote the local products. Promote local products in which we only displays made from the Philippines, especially from our city. Next is to promote the use of paper bags instead of plastic cellophanes. We choose to use the paper bags because paper friendly and it is biodegradable. Next is to make our customers satisfied with our products and service. We will serve the best quality with affordable price, and we will serve them by assisting and approaching them with positivity and also with a smile. And lastly is to make the tourists be able to bring the delicacies of the city. Na para na ipanghambog ang mga turista about sa atong city, like nindot dito sa Bayugan kay mga lami ilang mga pasalubong. That's all.
So the scope, as being stated earlier, the scope of this project will be 1 piece per meter. People will visit the shop that are living outside and inside of the Bayugan. So, ang kataka sa amuang shop is 150 per meter. Para sa mga people na mag-visit sa atuang lugar sa Bayugan o ang taga Bayugan Sub. Time frame. December 2021 to April 2022. Building of the one-stop Pasalubong shop with all the design products with the size of 150 square meter. So mag-start ang among business of build karong December 2021 amo ang time na mahuman siya ni amo ang ning time na mahuman siya mga April 2022.
Project budget. This is kanang estimated budget 400,000 pesos. Permits 15,000 pesos. Building renovations 150,000 pesos. Capital for products 40,000 pesos. Rent expenses 10,000 pesos. These are for quarterly. Then transportation 20,000 pesos twice a month. Utility bills 5,000 pesos monthly. Then other expenses in a total of 160,000 pesos. So where could this other expenses could go? Next, please. Next. So these are for the other expenses. The remaining balance would be the 160,000 pesos allocated for the remaining 2 months. So we will going to deduct this for the utility for the next 2 months. So the budget would be the 10,000 pesos. It includes Wi-Fi 1,500 pesos, electricity 2,500 pesos, water 500 pesos, waste 500 pesos, in a total of 5,000 pesos. That's why The utility for 2 months is 10,000 pesos. Next is for transportation, 40,000 pesos. Good for 2 months na siya. Then the salary was only budgeted for 1 month, and 97,500 pesos. Why? Because per person and their salary would be 250 pesos. Times the person, we only have 15 personnel. So in 1 month, they only have 26 days. We exclude the Sunday and Saturday because it's their day off. So i-times na to na sila, mahimo siyang 97,500 pesos mo na ang among budget for 1 month. Then the remaining money would be 12,500 pesos. This would be reserved for the next month. It depends on how much would our would be our and we also have optional, which is advertisement for 3 months, 4,500 pesos. So i-total na to sila tanan, if appeal ang optional is 8,000 pesos reserved for next month. It depends kung if ma-add mo siya sa mahalinan or yung kita ng ating shop.
Hello, I'm Marvin. I'm going to report key stakeholders. Key stakeholders means any individual group or party with an interest and relation and outcomes. Example, kini ang mga investors, suppliers. And first, project supplier, Teresa Marie Gallardo. Second, assistant manager, Mr. Lapis. Third, supplier, Mr. Giselle Dumul, Miss Angel. Sponsor, Miss Lia Dibdib, Miss Angel Limanus. And makani sila ang nagdala sa kan para ang kani stakeholder makani ang nagdala aron mag-success ang proyekto. Success ang proyekto. Next. Monitoring and evaluation. Next. First, in financial area consists of Molero and Delphine are responsible for monitoring financial transactions and expenditures. Second, Flores and Mikati are responsible for the inventory of the products. Third, Giri is responsible for monitoring the cleanliness of the shop. Finish. Zamil is responsible for monitoring the welcoming of customers. Dokosin is responsible for evaluating the cashier area. Pakanya is responsible for monitoring and maintaining the flower decorations. Merafintes and Malatag are responsible for marketing area. Heldo is responsible for monitoring security area. Next.
Would be all for our business proposal. Thank you, ma'am, for listening to us.